All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a course that impressed you a lot. Impressed is second form
Yes.
past tense. Please start.
Well, in general, in order to learn any new skill, people often go for courses, whether they are short term or long term. Here, I would like to talk about a course that I took last year. It was basically a web development course. Although I had this course in my university time, but due to missing some of my classes, I missed some important aspects of this course. So for that reason, I joined this class previous year. So as far as the place is concerned, where I took this course, at first I searched for many institutes in my place, but the place where I lived before, there weren't any institute or any academies there to attend this course. But after that, I looked for this course online. Then I joined it on a website called udemy.com. There was a great offer going on there, and I purchased a course there which consisted of almost 10 hours, and this course had covered thoroughly all the aspects of coding and all other things. So I learned plenty of things from this course. First of all, the techniques and tactics how to design any website or any website and other designing, and also the basic rules how to basically start developing any website. So after that, the reason why it had left an imprint on me, that there are a couple of reasons. First of all, the course, the way it was designed, the structure and the teaching method of the course,
All
it was really
right,
good.
thank you so much. Fantastic, very well.
Yeah.
You really spoke well and you elaborated all the points well,
Yeah.
and you spoke for around 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. What type of courses are important for young people these days?
Uh, since the technology has taken place, I think computer skill is pretty crucial at this moment, because in this technological era, if you don't know anything about computer, so the life will become very slow. So I think computer courses are pretty important for young people, and apart from that, some academic skill like writing and reading skill also will help young people in the future, or
Okay,
in
what type of courses usually waste time?
I think courses which don't give you some advantage in the future. I'm not really sure what kind of courses they are, because there might be for some individual, but I don't think so that any course will waste your time in the future. They always come to you anywhere, you can learn anything from them.
All right, just try to organize your answer,
Yeah.
especially if there is any question where you don't know the answer.
Yeah.
You can say, well, I'm not sure about it.
Yeah.
Each course has got its own importance.
Yeah.
So I don't think that there is any course which can waste the time.
Yeah.
Yes, if it is irrelevant to your career or to your present education,
Yeah.
that type of course can be like that, okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Overall, very good. Keep it up.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much.